Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Vidjet. Vidjet is a video hosting platform and it can be helpful in case of unlimited number of video hosting. And they're claiming that they're the alternative of YouTube and Vimeo. And on which sense they're the alternative of YouTube and Vimeo? They're the alternative of YouTube and Vimeo in the sense of they are the video hosting platform. That means you can host your video in such a way that you can host on YouTube or Vimeo. I hope you get idea, and it's best for marketers and e-commerce sellers who want to boost engagement, trust, and conversions with video content. And they're saying that Vidjet is an ad-free video hosting platform that lets you easily publish video content on your website and e-commerce store. Now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Vidjet, they are offering up to license tier 3. License tier 1 pricing is 69 USD, but if you need agency portal with everything unlimited, then you have to get this license tier 3, which is 279 USD. And if you want to use these things as an alternative of YouTube and Vimeo, then definitely you need everything unlimited. And if you need everything unlimited, then you have to get this license tier 3, guys. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Vidjet lifetime deal. And see, it has gotten 4 reviews already. If you check the reviews, see, everyone is giving here 5-star review. This person has got 178 deals from AppSumo, and he's saying that really great software for video enthusiasts. That's great. And see, everyone is saying that the tool is good. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Vidjet and let's explore how things works here and how amazing it is. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of Vidjet that you will get, and here in the dashboard section, you will get all the analytics about your video. Basically, see, I have gotten 12 impression, 6 video played, click on button 1, average view time and conversion rate also you can get here. And you can get the impression analytics, video played analytics, click on button analytics, average view time analytics, and conversion analytics from here. I hope you get idea, guys. You can also see the analytics for desktop version, and also you can see the analytics for mobile version individually from here. You can select from a specific date range from here. Now, how you can create this campaign? See, I have already tested this tool, guys, and see, I have been set up this video. See, this is the
Hi
video that I
there.
have
A
been
lot of
set
our
up. This is the video. I hope you get idea, guys. See, here people can insert email, so people will see this video whenever they will enter on my website, and then they can insert their email here. Let's say the email is abc@gmail.com, and then if they enter it, I will get the email on my dashboard. So you can also grow your email list by using this amazing Vidjet tool. I will show you how you can set up these things and what are the other things that you can do by using this tool. And to do that, you have to install one plugin at first. Just go to your plugin section and then see there have Vidjet option. And if you do not use WordPress as your CMS, then don't worry, they have a lot of other features. See, if I go to the settings and then if I go to the integration section, see, they have Shopify integration, Google Tag Manager, WordPress, Wix, other, and Google Sheet, Klaviyo integration. So you can integrate basically in any platform that you are using right now. Don't worry, but in my case, I'm using WordPress, and if you want to use it for WordPress, then you have to just install this plugin Vidjet. But let's say you want to use this software for Shopify, then just click here on the Shopify. Then see, they have the step-by-step instruction how you can install this Vidjet tool on Shopify. If you want to use it for any other platform, then just click here other, and see there have a step-by-step instruction skip. Just follow it, then you can install Vidjet on your website no matter what platform you are using. I hope you get idea, guys, how you can integrate this Vidjet tool on your website. After that, they have billing section and user section. On the user section, you can add here multiple user basically, and in the account section, you can see all your account details. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. Now I will show you how you can create the campaign. Just go here on this campaign section. See, I have already created one campaign. Let's say I will create another campaign. Just click here, create campaign, and see they have four types of campaign: bubble, pop-up, embedded, and sticky play button. You can create any one you want. And see, if I go to my website, this is one
Hi
template that
there.
I have been created, and this is basically here bubble type template. And there are also a pop-up template, embedded template, sticky play button. Let's say I will create here one pop-up template, as I have been already created this bubble template, and the process is completely same, guys. You can here select anyone that you need, and then the process is same how you can create your campaign. So I'm selecting here second one, and after selecting, see here you can upload your own video, and they have some pre-made template also. If you want, you can use these things. I hope you get idea, guys. See how professional it is, and there have some pre-made template. But definitely, if you want to use it professionally, then you have to use your own video. If you want to use your own video, then you have to upload your video from here. But in my case, for this video, I'm using this video templates. Let's say I will use this one. And after using or after selecting your video, just click here next step. See, it has been selected pop-up because I have been selected pop-up previously. But you can also change your campaign type. See, if I select here bubble, then it will show like that. If I select here pop-up, it will show like that. If I select here sticky play, then it will show like that. And people have to click here on this watch video, then they will see the video. I hope you get idea. Now let's say we will use here pop-up. So this is pop-up. You can enable the autoplay option, you can enable loop video, you can hide play or pause button, you can hide controls from here. See, if I disable this hide control, now people can control from where they want to see. But if I enable it, then it will be hidden. After that, they have option for autoplay. So if you disable it, then it will not be played automatically. But if you enable it, then it will be played automatically. I hope you get idea. And then they have option for text. So let's say the text is hello, subscribe please. See, there have the text. I hope you get idea. After that, they have call to action, so you can also add here call to action. And see, in my website, I have been added email as call
Hi
to
there.
action that I have been shown you previously. And then if I go to the widget again, see there have option for link to page. That means you can add here a specific link, and whenever people will click on the text, they will redirect it to this specific link. Also, you can add here coupon code to copy. So you can add here any coupon. Let's say this is coupon 101. See, this is the coupon 101. After that, they have option for email collector. That is the most amazing feature of this tool I am finding. So you can also collect email from here. Let's say I'll select your email, and then you can change the button color from here if you want. I hope you get idea. After that, just click here next step. Now you can also select on which page you want to show this specific campaign. And see, there you can select all pages, and you can also select only on certain page. If you go to my website, see this campaign I have been set up for all of my page. Let's say I'll select the campaign that I'm creating right now for this guide page. That means whenever someone will visit to this guide page, they will see this campaign. So I'm going to the guide page, and then I'll copy this link and then go to Vidjet, and then you can also select only on certain page. I'll select here. See, there have option for URL is equal to or contents. You can also select contents, but in my case, I'll select equal to, and then just click here add URL. So you can add here multiple URL if you want. So let's say I'll select only one URL here, and then you can also add here exclusion. That means if you do not want to show this campaign to any specific page, then you can also select. After that, they have option for when to trigger this video. You can trigger it when a user lands on the page. You can trigger it when a user wants to leave the website, when a user scrolls down the page, after a user has spent a period of time on the page. Let's say I'll select here when a user lands on the page. And then here I have option for view restriction. After 2 views of videos, it will not be displayed for 24 hours to a same user. So you can here change these things. Let's say I'll select after 3 views of the video, it will not be displayed for, let's say, not 24, for 12 hours to same user. And after doing everything, just click here next step. And then here have option for preview on my website, so you can get the preview of the website just by clicking here. Also they have option for campaign name, so you can select a campaign name here. Basically you can also select it as a schedule option, but in my case I'm not scheduling, but you can do. And then just click here launch campaign if you want to launch the campaign. See, it has been launched. Now you can edit the campaign, you can clone the campaign, you can delete the campaign, you can also keep it inactive or active from here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now our setup has been done. Now I'll test if these things are working or not. I'll visit on my website from a new browser. See, this is my website. Let it be load. And I have been set up my second campaign that I have been created right now for this guide section. So I'm going to this guide section, guys. See, this is the guide section, and let's see if it's coming or not. Okay, okay, let it be load again. So it's showing me the first one, it's not showing me the second one. Maybe it's because I have been set up this campaign for every page. So let me disable this page for this campaign. So let's say you want to disable this page for this campaign, and this is the first campaign that I want to disable. So I'm going to edit section, and then here I'll select the display setting, and I'll select the exclusion and this one, and then just select it and submit it. So it will be submitted. I hope you get idea. Now I will go to this page. I'll reload it. Let me reload it. See, it's now showing the campaign. That means here I think if you set up multiple campaign for a specific page, then it will show only the first campaign that has been happened right now. Let me reload it again. Let me reload it. So I'm reloading it. See, it's automatically playing. I hope you get idea,
Told you
guys.
that you are amazing. Thank you so much for your purchase. Your happiness and satisfaction is our top priority. So please let us know if you have any follow up questions about your purchase, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again. You are amazing. Have a great day.
So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this Vidjet tool. And if I go back from here, let me go back. These are the all features that are available here, and it's really amazing. You can see all your campaign detail or campaign analytics from here. And this is the whole idea behind this tool. If you think, guys, you need this type of tool for your business, then you can get this Vidjet lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of Vidjet lifetime deal in the description of this video with 10% discount. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.